Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Disconnect the battery negative terminal using a 10 mm wrench. Set parking brake and chock rear wheels. Take a photo of the serpentine belt routing before removal. Work on a cold engine and wear gloves and eye protection. Keep a small container for bolts. Gather tools, 10 mm, 12 mm and 14 mm sockets, breaker bar, torque wrench, serpentine tool or 14 mm ratchet for the tensioner, and a pry bar. Confirm you have the correct replacement alternator for a 2011 Toyota Highlander before continuing. Use a 14 mm socket on the tensioner to release the serpentine belt. Route the released belt off the alternator pulley and rest it on the engine so it stays clean. Disconnect the main alternator wire with a 12 mm nut and unplug the harness clip. Tape connectors to avoid dirt. Remove the upper and lower alternator bolts and lift the alternator out, supporting it with one hand. Inspect mounting brackets and clean mating surfaces, and compare the old unit to the new one. Place the new alternator into the bracket and start the upper bolt by hand to align, then thread and snug the lower bolt. Torque alternator bolts to 35 ft-pounds, 47 Nm. Reinstall the main wire with the 12 mm nut and plug the harness clip. Ensure all connectors are tight. Reinstall the serpentine belt using the 14 mm tensioner method and confirm correct routing from your photo. Reconnect the battery negative terminal last. Start the engine and verify charging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.